First, I
good
want to
stuff.
ask you, which is off script, how many of my films have you actually seen?
What rubbish! You've hardly done 5 movies. How many movies have you done?
13 films. To a level, I love women because I just feel that they have a far better insight on things than men. The hottest girl in the college at that time, and she was like way out of my league. And she had a boyfriend, but I wanted to talk to her.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
boyfriend tha, pati nahi tha.
I can live on love and fresh air.
No, I don't think anyone can live on love. And let's be practical. I
Yes.
don't think so. That's possible.
Right.
I know hits and flops don't affect you, but they affect me.
No, what rubbish!
Yeah, I'm actually here to understand that what do actually women want.
Filmy Mirchi presents Dabur Amla Aloe Vera What Women Want, co-powered by Tirupati Edible Oils.
This is Dabur Amla Aloe Vera What Women Want on Filmy Mirchi और मैं हूँ करीना कपूर खान और आज हम बात कर रहे हैं अबाउट डेटिंग और इस टॉपिक पर बात करने के लिए मैंने एक ऐसे हीरो को इनवाइट किया है जो अपनी फिल्मों में अलग अलग अंदाज में हर बार हीरोइन को पटा लेता है अब चाहे वो स्टूडेंट बनकर हो या कूली प्लीज वेलकम द एक्टर जिसको पूरे हिंदुस्तान का सिंगल क्राउड डेट करना चाहता है वरुण धवन Hi, Varun.
How are you? How are
Well,
you? So
we
this
can't.
Okay, we're gonna do
Yeah,
this now.
this is the new hug.
New hug.
Thank you for coming on What Women Want.
It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. I'm actually here to understand that what do actually women want.
We have called you here because I think you do understand what women want.
It's a tough one.
Okay, now coming to dating culture काफी बदल चुका है.
बदल
You know,
चुका
like from the 90s to 2020. Are you like into the way like today's generation kind of dates, or is it more like you like that old school kind of patawing?
I don't know if it's see obviously wooing someone is amazing and उसमें बहुत मजा आता है कि just you like the first time you see someone you like and your eyes cross paths and there's a little bit of attraction.
But does that
and
actually happen?
I don't know if it happens anymore with people. But when I used to date, initially I think it would happen.
It would like that.
Yeah, it would happen.
Eyes met, that
Yeah.
romantic Gana, hair flying.
In my head,
Yeah,
all
in your
this
head
goes
that,
on.
yeah, uh-huh.
I don't think the girls were that filmy. So, but in my head, a Hindi film was playing
Yeah,
for sure.
yeah, of course, because
Yeah.
you, I mean,
Yeah.
like, I think you and me both have grown up in that same kind of space where we're always
Yeah.
continuously in a high-speed shot. I
Correct.
think it happened with me and Saif because Saif,
Correct.
ये सब never, it's not
In his head, a
head.
Hindi film was not playing.
No, never. He's like
Yeah.
Clint Eastwood. He's
Yeah.
on another
A Hollywood movie was
Hollywood,
going
and
on.
I was in Mehuna, like that Sushmita sari wala flying wala. So that's why I said we both are quite similar.
I think the same thing happens with me and Natasha also. That I'm obviously more filmy. Like if you're going for drives, I want to play Hindi songs, and I want to
She's
play
like-
90s songs. And she's like, "What are you doing, man?" And I'm like, "Come on, And she's like, "Let's play Chainsmokers," and I'm like,
Yeah.
"Yeah, we'll play."
But good, but it's good to have a mix, please.
Yeah, 100%.
Sweet. So, okay, now Varun, on Dabur Amla Aloe Vera, what women want, I want to talk to you about how often we want it all in our partners. So, tell me, what are some things जो तुम्हें चाहिए थी in your partner, जो तुम्हें मिली?
I really got honesty in my relationship from my partner, and that is something which I had to kind of learn from and understand the value of that as I went about in my relationship.
Yeah, of course. But
It's a
anyway,
very
now all.
deep-rooted answer.
Yeah, yeah, like
But
very,
this is
very
the
thought
answer
out.
to any boys who are listening to me. This is the answer. That's exactly what women want, honesty. But you have to be careful when you hit them with that honesty.
So, Varun, in films we see always that, you've done all these, comedy, romantic films where you're always playing, pranks on all your heroines.
First, I
and
want to
stuff.
ask you, which is off script, how many of my films have you actually seen?
I have
How many?
seen-
Because see, listen,
No,
I get it. You're the host of the show, but she is Kareena Kapoor.
No.
Obviously, she's a super duper
No,
star.
I
So
have
we have to
seen-
ask her of her guess how many has she
Why
seen.
I've seen Student of the Year.
Obviously, you've seen it. Your friend has directed it. You couldn't see it over me.
No, and I will see.
Now you see Coolie #1 because of the remake of your sister's film. That's not fair.
Listen, no. What rubbish! You've hardly done 5 movies.
I've done.
How many
I've
movies have you
done
done?
13 films.
13 films already.
You know, this is such a real conversation because I want to tell everyone actually this that whenever I have a film trailer released or song released, that's the maximum I've discussed with Bebo.
Yeah, but also Coolie because apart from Yaar is emotional because I was actually on Coolie set. I was always hanging around Lolo's set and David
Did
G's
you
set
ever
was there.
understand what they were up to at that time?
No,
Because not that we shoot like that now.
now I don't know, but David G and Lolo and
Yeah.
Chichi had that
They
vibe
had
where
their
they just knew
own-
exactly what they were doing and
yeah,
like
and
एक shot, 2 shot में सब हो जाता था.
It looked so fast and like easy.
Yeah, and gave blockbusters.
And gave blockbusters. Yeah.
But in your films, you actually are, always, at least like from the promos that I see, that you are always that, happy-go-lucky, you know, patawing all the heroines. That quintessential kind of
No, let me
hero.
be honest. I love women. I just love women. I love being around them. I love talking to them.
But
get
are
a
you
great-
actually like that, like, you know, playing pranks and doing that in real life?
No, not so much in real life. But yeah, to a bit, I have a lot of masti in me and all that stuff. I do all that. But to a level, I love women because I just feel that they have a far better insight on things than men. The way they understand things.
They're more mature.
Yeah.
You're answering very,
Very
like, you
well.
know, you come the things correctly.
No, I've not thought
What
of it.
women want. जब कोई किसी से डेट करना शुरू कर देता है, do you think that you should actually tell those lies to them to kind of impress them first? You know, those little
Yeah.
white lies to just, you know, kind of impress
थोड़ा
them.
बहुत.
But
थोड़ा-
how much jhoot is too much according to you?
No, obviously you can't change your name and all. I remember when I was in college and I was dating this girl. She was like the hottest girl in the college at that time, and she was like way out of my league. And I wanted to, like, you know, talk to her somehow. How do I talk to? And she had a boyfriend. But I wanted to talk to her.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
boyfriend tha, pati nahi tha. So you know, so during class or something, I would sit not near her, but very close to her. Just that she'll see me at some point. And I think after a month or something, she kept. After I stopped trying, is when she started noticing. Actually,
Yeah, so I think that's
Yeah.
girls like that, no? When the guy actually,
they love it.
yeah.
I actually, the first time I met Natasha is in the 6th standard.
Oh God, but you all have not been dating since then.
We've not been dating since then. We were friends till like the 10th, till 11th, 12th grade. We were very close friends. But the minute I saw her, like I remember now also, I went to Manekji Cooper and she was in Yellow House, I was in Red House, and it was on the basketball court. And in lunch break, we would get, like, you know, in the canteen, they give
Yeah,
you food,
yeah.
they give you energy, and you get samosa or whatever you get. And I remember her walking, and I remember seeing her, and actually, when I saw her, I felt like I fell in love with her that day. That was it. Like, I
And
feel
then
that
you
was
didn't
it.
obviously see her for a while.
No. I mean, she rejected me like some 3-4 times
And
before
then
that.
started dating much later.
Yeah, but see, I didn't give up hope.
You seem like quite a lovelorn. You believe in.
I wouldn't, but once it hits you, then you're a goner.
Yeah. So you do believe that love is all you need, and तुम्हें लगता है that, you know, couple
Yeah.
की खुशी के लिए पैसा होना बहुत जरूरी है, or, you know,
नहीं,
like
पैसा नहीं.
I can live on love and fresh air.
No, I don't think anyone can live on love. And let's be practical. I don't
Yes.
think so. That's possible. But definitely, when you fail in life, which every human being will, having that one person by you who you can lean on is the most important thing in the world. You know.
Because you never know when that time. And,
See,
you know, like,
I know hits and flops don't affect you, but they affect me.
no, what rubbish.
It doesn't affect her. I'm telling you
No,
the truth.
that's not
It
true
doesn't.
at
Even
all.
if she's given the biggest blockbuster, she has the same smile like she has if a film will not do that well.
Yeah. But I think that's the way. I think all actors, we learn to become like that.
Yeah.
You know?
But don't you feel at that time when you have that one special person?
Yeah, it helps.
Well, every time you go to your mother.
No.
Mummy, nahi.
No. But in fact, I've never gone to anyone like that.
Or you've been.
Yeah.
So that's self-love. That's also.
It's also about like just being strong in.
Do you
this
think
profession.
women are stronger in that perspective than men?
I think women generally
Yeah.
are just stronger. I think actors get more affected by their flaws.
Yeah. Why is that?
But that should change, no?
That should change. So all the actors watching this also, we need to change, guys. We need to learn from them.
But now वरुण, तुम स्कूल के टाइम से अपने fiancé के साथ हो,
हाँ
like
जी.
you've been with Natasha. तो मुझे जानना है कि who made the first move, and like, you know, like how did you all decide that, okay, this is it, we have to get married?
Babology, empowered by Bumble.
See, marriage, obviously now coming into this coming into this time period after you've been with someone for so long, I felt like getting married is after I saw my brother and my bhabhi.
Yeah.
And after they had, my niece has come, Niara. So when I saw my niece, it's like, this is good. And even Natasha, I think her parents, and even she's been pretty chill in that sense. But I think after a certain period when you decide that you want to live with each other, like me and she would have not mind like doing
Living in
a live-in,
together.
doing a living in scene. But I think my parents in that sense wanted us, because I have my own place now. So, but
now you're not living with.
with her, no.
No,
we
with your
can-
parents.
With my no, I don't live with my parents anymore.
Oh. Now I want to know, in this lockdown, did you bake banana bread? Did you which you know that now I
Yeah,
clearly didn't,
we
guys.
do. But what
did you?
The Rasoi Se Rishto Tak moment brought to you by Tirupati Edible Oils.
So what I did was I started making like different kinds of coffees.
Okay.
I had friends and coffee brands sending me like French press,
Dalgona
and
coffee.
yeah, Dalgona coffee. And first I would do it with the spoon, and they would say, "नहीं करते रहना, नहीं होता है." Eventually, I got that stirrer, which solved the problem, and then
Okay.
I would cook breakfast once in a while.
तो वरुण, अब तक मैं तुम्हें डेटिंग के बारे में
हाँ जी।
सवाल पूछ रही थी. So basically, there's this one section where I allow
Okay.
the guest like to ask me that
हाँ,
a
okay.
question.
करीना, क्योंकि हम लोग मिर्ची के रेडियो स्टेशन में हैं, तो एक क्वेश्चन ये बनता है कि अगर पहली मुलाकात में उसको मिर्ची लगती है तो मैं क्या करूँ फिर?
चलो, normally I don't think I would have answered this question, but I think it's because you've asked it. ये आपकी फिल्म है
और लोलो का गाना है.
and लोलो का गाना है, of course, and सारा की फिल्म भी
Correct.
है. तो I think that I'll take this opportunity and say that अगर उसको पहली बारी मिर्ची लगी तो आगे जाके क्या होगा?
That's true. These should have been the continuation lyrics for the song. कि आगे जाके क्या होगा?
So वरुण, तुम्हारी communication style है, like are you like the traditional face-to-face kind of guy, or फिर तुम messages like WhatsApp ज़्यादा prefer करते
I
हो?
hate talking on the phone.
Why? Yeah, I know. Why is this generation is just like they don't want to pick up the phone and talk.
I just get really like, I mean, I don't know. I don't enjoy talking on the phone. I talk to one person on the phone, and that's my friend Kavish.
Yeah, but
I'm
otherwise,
just-
like
it's just
off of
information.
work to like
Yeah, work we talk. Work, I mean, work I do talk. I mean, those work calls I do, but that's better face to face, I feel.
that's face to face. So
Yeah.
you prefer conversations that are face to face?
I can't have phone conversations.
No, or messaging.
Messaging is okay, time pass.
और क्या तुमने कभी mistake से किसी का message like by mistake, where you're like thinking about a person but you're texting someone else and then you send that message?
Oh, like a mistake wala वैसा message. Oh no. I've had mistakes where I've called the person like by other names and all that stuff.
Like by other names?
Yeah.
Like
yeah.
girls?
Yeah, that's happened.
Oh God, that's even worse.
That's happened a couple of times.
So Varun, now that shoots have begun in full swing, so what is your breathe easy solution? Like how are you going to keep calm through this entire pandemic, knowing that we're still in COVID?
You have to adapt, I think. You have to adapt कि ये चीज़ जो है, ये महामारी जो है, ये होने वाली है, ये रहने वाली है. It's not going anywhere. So take the precautions. Test if you're meeting too many people.
Because we know that there's not going to be a vaccine for a while.
That's why I keep saying this. I know it's a cheap plug, but the plug is that we don't know when the coronavirus ka vaccine is going to come. But when Coolie comes, we are trying to give people like a laughter vaccine.
Yeah, like they need that. Yeah, of
Yeah,
course.
we need to laugh and enjoy.
Yeah, absolutely. I
We
think
really
it's a
do.
perfect film actually to watch after coming out of so much stress that we've all been
really
through
does.
7 months.
It
So I
really
think
does.
Coolie is the perfect film. I think that I'm glad that we had such a conversation, because coming from a superstar like you,
Listen, you
somebody
don't call
who,
me a superstar,
no,
or
why? I mean,
please,
like
yeah.
generation,
I'm
this
very far from
generation
it, no.
looks up to
Yeah,
you,
maybe this
and
generation.
even young girls. So thank you so much for coming.
I'm glad. So I know a little bit about what women want.
Okay,
Thoda.
yeah, okay, fine. I'll
I'm
give
getting
you that
into the
credit.
psyche of the
You're,
thinking.
you're learning.
I'm learning.
Yeah?
I'm learning. Okay.
But thank you so much.
Thank you.
What Women Want, presented by Dabur Amla Aloe Vera, co-powered by Tirupati Oil, social networking partner Bumble, decor partner Berger Silk Breathe Easy.